is ERi-TV English news broadcast. Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us, and do stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates from around the world and the country, live from our headquarters in Asmara. I'm Heaven Johans, your news anchor for this session. The following are our major headlines for tonight. Seminar on the objective situation in the homeland. Election of area administrators in Tasani subzone. Nigeria probes as tanker explosion kills over 150. Eastern Turkey rattled by magnitude 5.9 quake. In our domestic news, Mr. Berhane Gebrhiwet, charged the affairs of the Eritrean embassy in the United States, conducted a seminar on the 13th October for nationals in San Jose, focusing on the objective situation in the homeland. Mr. Berhane provided an extensive briefing on the current situation in the homeland and the broader region, urging nationals to strengthen their organizational capacity and increase their participation in national affairs. Dr. Gideon Abai, chairman of the Eritrean American Council, emphasized the importance of nurturing competent youth who adhere to the national and societal values. In a related development, Eritrean nationals in Chicago, USA, organized sports competitions aimed at fostering stronger connections among Eritrean youth in the city and reinforcing their bond with their homeland. Elections for area administrators and managing directors were held in the 11 administrative areas of the Tasani subzone to enhance and expand the provision of administrative services. Mr. Siyum Garayesus, administrator of the subzone, reported that the elections took place in the administrative areas of Ali Gidr, Talat Asher, Satimo, Injahai, Ad Umar, Sheb, Maskarram, Fithi, Saura, Fanko, and Salam. Mr. Siyum stated that the objective of the elections was to replace outgoing administrators and managing directors who had completed their terms. He also noted that awareness-raising activities regarding the election were conducted in all administrative areas from 5 to 7 October. Mr. Siyum expressed his appreciation for the outgoing administrators and managing directors for their dedicated service and urged the newly elected to provide efficient and timely services, honoring the trust placed in them by the community. The Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare branch in the Southern Red Sea region has provided school material support to 631 disadvantaged children, including 251 female students. Mr. Yosef Sahaye, head of the branch office, stated that the initiative aims to ensure that these children can continue their education without disruption due to lack of school supplies. He also urged parents to encourage their children and regularly monitor their academic performance. According to reports, school material support has also been extended to 89 disadvantaged students in Arraza subzone, 100 students in Af'abat subzone, 330 students in Asmat subzone, 240 students in Karan subzone, 250 students in Ginda subzone, 110 students in Adkhwala subzone, and 81 students in Imnhaili subzone. Additionally, 176 disadvantaged students in the subzones of Gajarat and Maitamanai in the central region have also received school material support. This wraps up our domestic news for this session. Dear viewers, do stay tuned, for we'll be back with the international ones after the short break. Welcome back. Nigerian authorities in the northwest Jigawa state said that they're investigating the cause of a fuel tanker crash and explosion that killed over 150 people and injured dozens more early Wednesday. This is Nigeria's second major tanker disaster in 1 month. The State Police Command said it had launched an investigation into Wednesday's accident in the village of Majiya. Officials say the accident caused fuel to spill out of the tanker, and within minutes the gasoline ignited, causing an explosion. Dozens who were injured in the blast are receiving treatment at local hospitals. Fuel tanker accidents are common in Nigeria, where most of the 50 million liters of gasoline consumed daily gets to gas stations and end users via poorly maintained roads. On our last news, many areas of eastern Turkey were shaken by a 5.9 magnitude earthquake on Wednesday, although there were no immediate reports of fatalities. This is according to reports. The tremor happened in Maltaya, a province that was badly hit by a violent 7.8 magnitude earthquake in 2023 that killed more than 53,500 people in Turkey and almost 6,000 in neighboring Syria. According to the state's disaster management agency, there has been no loss of life or destruction of property following the 5.9 magnitude earthquake reported until present. And now a major recap of tonight's major headlines. Seminar on the objective situation in the homeland. Election of area administrators in Tesene subzone. Nigeria probes as tanker explosion kills over 150. And eastern Turkey rattled by magnitude 5.1 quake. That was all from us for tonight. Thank you for watching.